When it comes to mapping services in Connaught Place, SCON Design is the go-to company in Delhi. With years of experience in the industry, SCON Design has established itself as a leading provider of mapping services in the heart of the city. Connaught Place, being one of the most important commercial and business centers in Delhi, demands accurate and reliable mapping services, and SCON Design is well equipped to meet those needs. SCON Design specializes in providing mapping services for various purposes in Connaught Place. Whether it is for real estate development, urban planning, or infrastructure projects, their team of skilled professionals can deliver high-quality maps that meet the specific requirements of their clients. They understand the importance of accurate mapping in decision-making processes, and strive to provide detailed and up-to-date maps that assist in making informed choices. One of the key advantages of choosing SCON Design for mapping services in Connaught Place is their expertise in the local area. They have extensive knowledge of the streets, landmarks, and infrastructure in and around Connaught Place, which allows them to create maps that are tailored to the needs of businesses and individuals operating in the area. Their understanding of the local terrain and layout ensures that their maps are accurate and reliable, providing valuable information to clients. SCON Design also utilizes advanced technology and tools to provide mapping services in Connaught Place. They are equipped with state-of-the-art software and equipment that enable them to create detailed digital maps with precision. This not only improves the accuracy of the maps, but also allows for easy customization and integration with other systems or platforms. Their use of advanced technology sets them apart from other mapping service providers in Connaught Place. Moreover, SCON Design takes pride in its commitment to customer satisfaction. They work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and ensure that they deliver maps that meet their expectations. Their team of professionals is dedicated to providing prompt and efficient service, ensuring that clients receive their maps within the agreed-upon timeframe. This level of customer-centric approach has earned them a reputation for excellence in mapping services in Connaught Place. In conclusion, when it comes to mapping services in Connaught Place, SCON Design is a trusted name in Delhi. With their expertise, local knowledge, advanced technology, and commitment to customer satisfaction, they are well equipped to provide accurate and reliable maps for various purposes. Whether it is for real estate development, urban planning, or infrastructure projects, businesses and individuals can rely on SCON Design for their mapping needs in Connaught Place. Mapping services have become an essential tool in today's digital world. They provide us with accurate and up-to-date information about various locations, routes, and landmarks. One such popular mapping service in Connaught Place, Delhi, is SCON Design. SCON Design is a renowned company that specializes in providing mapping services in and around Connaught Place. With their expertise and experience, they have established themselves as a trusted name in the industry.